Hello guys, this video is the part 2 of CHSI series. So our account was verified, so I am helping my friend to get the verification report. So this video, after the verification of your account, what will be the first step? So this video will show you how to get the verification reports of your master's or PhD degree and the verification reports of your graduation certificate. So in this video we will check basically 2 or 3 points. Number one, um, verification report of degree and the verification report of graduation certificate in Chinese, and the student status. And in the next video I will show you how to get the English translation of these Chinese verification reports. So stay tuned. So first of all, log in from your account and then go to this option, this first option, and enter. You can translate it to for your convenience. So first we will check our student status information. So this is, we have this information, and we can check academic information. Suppose if your academic information is not showing here, you just go to try binding academic qualifications. So here you have to write the certificate number of your graduation certificate, not the degree certificate, here in the academic binding. So when you write the graduation certificate number here, graduation year and school name, are you sure, then they will show you the academic information here. After that, again go to the first tab and degree information. Here they are showing you the degree information. Suppose if your degree information is not showing here, try binding a degree and write the certificate number of your degree. Then they will show you your degree information here. This is just information. So after that you go to the online verification report and then go to the higher education status. So this is about the student status. So I'm doing this for my friend. So you just click on the application and for how many days you need it. So you can extend it to 180 days and then application. So immediately they will show you your student status. You just click on this blue link and they will show you your student status here. After that, in the online verification tab, you go to second one, higher education. You have not yet applied for the electronic registration and filling form for this academic qualification. So you just click on the application and you can extend it to 180 days. So this will be the verification report of your graduation certificate. So immediately this way you can get your verification report of graduation certificate. Then go to degree. You have not yet applied for the verification report of degree, then you apply here and extend it to 180 days. Apply, report the request as successful. So you can check your degree verification report by clicking on this blue link. So your degree verification report is here, so you can download it from here this sign, and you can send an email from this sign. So in this way you can download and you can check your student status, degree verification report and graduation certificate report from CHSI. And in the next video I will show you how you can translate these Chinese verification reports into English. So in some countries they need English report to verify their degrees. So stay tuned. In the next video I will show you how you can translate these Chinese verification reports into English.